Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial component for many Brother printer users, the replacement fuser unit. Specifically, we're looking at the PRTA 22464, LY07490001, and LY07480001 fuser units designed for a range of Brother models, including the HL4150, 4570, MFC 9970, 9560, 9465, and DCP 9055. For those unfamiliar, the fuser unit is essentially the part of your laser printer that melts the toner onto the paper, making your prints permanent. If your prints are smudged, faded, or you're getting error messages related to the fuser, then a replacement might be exactly what you need to get your machine back in top working order. This particular unit is specified as a 220V type, which is vital to note for users in regions where this voltage is standard. It's always important to confirm your printer's power requirements before ordering any replacement part. Now, there's a very important detail that potential buyers absolutely must be aware of, and it's something the seller explicitly states. The item condition will be sent randomly as either original refurbished or compatible new. This means you won't know which type you'll receive until it arrives. If you have a strong preference or a specific requirement for either an original refurbished part or a brand new compatible one, then the seller advises against ordering this particular listing. It's a significant point to consider, as it directly impacts what you can expect in your package. Beyond the condition, the seller also stresses the importance of due diligence on the buyer's part. Before placing an order, it's highly recommended to carefully check the item's appearance, size, and color, and to compare it thoroughly with your printer's original fuser unit. This step is critical to ensure perfect compatibility and avoid any installation headaches. Furthermore, while model numbers like HL4150 or MFC 9970 are provided for reference, the ultimate confirmation comes from matching the part visually and by its specific part number. If the replacement part doesn't look identical to your original, or if the part number doesn't match, it's best to hold off on the purchase. This meticulous approach helps prevent ordering the wrong component, saving both time and effort. The package, by the way, contains one piece of this essential fuser unit. Ultimately, for those needing to revive their Brother printer and understanding these specific conditions, this replacement fuser unit offers a path to getting those crisp, clear prints flowing again.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.